What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be cooking some eggs. I'm your host, Chef Blake, reporting back from the crib. So our objective today is going to be finding out which method will create the fluffiest eggs. We're going to have a control group. 2 eggs, nothing added. Then we're going to do 2 eggs with 1.5 tablespoons of water per egg, so that equates to 3 tablespoons. Quick maths.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
Then we're going to have 3 tablespoons of milk added to our 2 eggs. So that's a total of 6 eggs, 3 groups. Let's get right into it. What we're doing right now is just giving these eggs a good whisk. You want to be real generous with that. This is a substantially big pan, so we're gonna have to wait for it a while to heat up. This rubber spatula is my utensil of choice. It's just really nice along the edges. Make sure we get all the magoozelism out there. You're gonna want to let it set just a quick second, and then start bringing it in. To yield accurate findings, we're going to be washing this non-stick pan in between segments. So we're just going to keep whisking like last time, repeat the same process. You don't want to overcomplicate things, guys. Pretty generous amount. No mas. Perfect. Let's heat up our clean pan. Right off the bat, I'm noticing more volume. This pan takes quite a bit of heat to heat up. Yep. We're just gonna be patient here.
All right, so Blake's going for the scrape and slide method.
Adopted by many, perfected by few. I wish you guys could experience this with me. This is a much deeper yellow. This is a light yellow. I wonder if that's the water diluting the color, making it less potent. Moving into our third and final round, we're gonna be using the milk today. Colette's making a special appearance. Alright, back to the video.
Colette, we're filming, what the frick?
Take a look at our extremely clean pan. Ooh. Something to take in consideration is the fact that we're assessing the fluffiness of the egg, not the volume. Obviously the milk and the water group are going to look bigger because we added 3 tablespoons of liquid to each of them. So what we're going to do right now is just jump into the visual comparison as well as the taste comparison. So right off the bat, this one is pretty intense. However, I don't have anything to compare it to quite yet. I'd say it's in the middle between the control having the deepest shade of yellow and the milk having the lightest shade of yellow. So I'd say this is definitely pretty fluffy. Let's compare it to the control group now. This is notably not as fluffy as the water. For whatever that reason may be, we will distinguish. But right now, just based on the feel of it, I can tell that it's not gonna be as fluffy as the water. So moving on to the milk. Oh, this is just a dead giveaway. Right here, it bounces back at you, you know what I mean? It's just like, it feels like I'm at a bounce house right now. So moving into the taste testing segment, we have Weston.
Hello.
This is his first appearance in the video.
Absolutely.
How does it feel, man?
Feels great, dude. It's good to be here.
Right on.
I'm glad I can show up.
So I think the method in which we should execute this taste test is just
Water
start
to
with the
control?
water.
Okay. Let me get a little spoonful here. It's pretty bland.
Yeah, I've had better.
Truly.
It feels fluffy.
Yeah, it feels pretty fluffy.
All right, so moving on to the control group.
here.
Nothing added here.
Nothing added. And we're gonna just go
It's gonna go in. Definitely less fluffy.
way less fluffy.
No shadow of a doubt right there. It's just
A lot more stiff. There's no give.
more dense.
It's way more dense, yeah.
Weston's still working on his table manners. Now what I'm really excited for is the milk. I expect this one to be the best. Going for it. Yeah, eating right, hard.
It's decent. I think it's more fluffy than the water, and obviously more fluffy than control. It's pretty good. It's a bit it's a bit watery.
Yeah. I mean, I might actually prefer the control. However, this is undoubtedly the most fluffy.
This one's way more fluffy than every other
Yeah.
egg that we've done.
As far as our final conclusions go, I think we can all agree that milk is indeed the fluffiest. However, the water is also very fluffy as well. But I think the milk is a clear victor here.
Yeah.
And the control, it's no comparison. That ends this segment of cooking with Weston and Blake. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a lot.
Yeah.
And I hope our findings influence your next egg prep. We'll catch you another time.